Breakfast burritos on the griddle. Let's go. Piping hot griddle, bacon going down. That's what we're looking for right there. Nice crispy bacon. Now that the griddle's nice and lubed up, we're gonna go down with a pound of Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. We got one medium onion. And then over the top of those onions, hash browns. And scrambled eggs going down. So we got our eggs, hash browns, ground pork, bacon, got some cheese, tortillas. Burritos going back down. All right, y'all, look at that right there. Beautiful breakfast burritos right here on the griddle. Only took us about, I don't know, 20 minutes for all of this to come together. Really simple, really easy. I'm about to go in for a bite. Y'all just check that out right there. Y'all let me know in the comments, what would y'all add to this to make it a little bit better? Got us some Cholula right here, some of the best picante y'all can get. Drizzle a little bit on the top of that. All right, bon appetit. Cheesy potatoes. Like, you can't beat sausage and bacon, right? Awesome breakfast burrito. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.